Welcome back. Let's talk about the way forward. What should be the top picks going into 2025? Sunny Agarwal from SBI Securities is now with us to discuss the market fundamentals and his top ideas. Sunny, thank you very much for joining in. I was just going through some of your, big bets. So you've got hotels, chalet, parks, Samhi, alcoholic beverages. You like a few railway wagons, capital marketplace. But in all of them, I don't see too many news listings, listings of 2024. There is an odd the park thrown in. But generally, you've stayed away, and we've got some blockbuster listings. The IPO debuts have been very strong. Didn't any of them catch your attention? For instance, today you've got one in the pharma space, Ceneris Pharma.
Yeah, thanks, Rima and Vivek, for having me on the show. I think among the new listings, there are a few interesting businesses which are getting listed. A case in point. A very tepid listing for Ventive, which is a predominantly very large portfolio of hotels based out of Pune. There again, we feel that post-IPO over the period of next 3 to 4 quarters, I think it will be a kind of turnaround performance. Looking at the way other hotel companies are performing across the board, improvement in operating metrics. So I think even Ventive post-IPO, we believe that although the company has reported losses during the first half of FY25 as per the reported number, but we believe over the period of next 2-3 years, the company will report a very good set of number. And Ventive is one of the company which I would like to track and add over the period of next 3 to 6 months among the new.
Sunny, so from the newer listings, you like Ventive, but once particular stock you have in the auto ancillary space is actually Lumax Autotech. Why do you like that particular name, and any other names from the auto ancillary space you like?
Yeah, Vivek, so we have initiated coverage on Lumax last week, and we believe the portfolio of the company is basically powertrain agnostic. So if you look at the product, basically head and tail lamps, plastic tanks, door panels, switches, sensor, two-wheeler frame, seating structure. So most of the portfolio for Lumax Autotech is a kind of powertrain agnostic. At the same time, they have recently acquired 2 companies. One is IIC India, that was in Feb 23. So that has given a lot of exposure on 4-wheeler side. So earlier the portfolio was skewed toward 2-wheeler side. So 4-wheeler, again within 4-wheeler, Mahindra and Mahindra is one of their key client where more than 30% revenue comes from Mahindra and Mahindra. That continue to remain an outlier for that company. Again, one recent acquisition, Green Fuel, again that gives an exposure to the alternate fuel business. Basically, they are into the CNG and hydrogen vehicle component overall. So what I feel is that being an powertrain agnostic company, we are penciling sales, EBITDA and PAT growth of 28% and 28% and kind of 50% over FY24-26 period. And we are expecting the company to report PAT of close to 295 crore in FY26. And at a very conservative valuation of 20 times September 25 EPS, we have arrived at a price target of 857 that gives the close to upside of 30-35% from the current market price.
This Protean eGov, while it's come off about 11% from its recent highs of 2,200, it's still up 65% so far this year. And I remember one of the market veterans talking about the entire digitization theme and how Protean eGov could be an attractive stock. Now, after this kind of a run-up, what will drive upside from here on over the next 2 years? And is the current level of 2,000 an attractive entry point, according to you?
Yes, we believe that the fair value of the business for Protean is close to 2,400-2,500 rupees. And one of the key, basically, it's a traditional legacy business of PAN, Aadhaar and all those stuff. We believe that will grow at kind of 10 to 12%. And on the other hand, the new businesses such as the data stack, agri stack, and all those businesses that will drive the basically on tax advisory side. So that will be one of the key growth driver for the Protean. And we believe that earning will grow north of 20% CAGR over the period of next 2 years. And the fair value is close to 2,400. Obviously, post run-up, the return from a current levels looks like kind of 20% CAGR over the period of next 2 years.
Sunny, a couple of stocks, we want a quick use on that. First up, from the construction equipment space, you have a positive view on Action Construction. The stock is up almost 5% today. So your view on that. And also you like defense and aerospace, but largely through much smaller players. So you like names like Zentech, Dynamatic Tech, and good luck your views on these spaces.
Yeah, coming to basically construction equipment, we believe that the implementation of TREM 5 regulation from 1st of Jan, that will lead to the pre-buying in the December quarter. The reason being that post-implementation of TREM 5 regulation, we may see a price hike of close to 10 to 12% by all the construction equipment player. And ACE being a market leader in pick and carry as well as tower crane, where more than 60% stake is market share is held by ACE. I believe the ACE will be one of the key beneficiary of that. And December quarter is the quarter where we are expecting a very blockbuster, a very good set of number from ACE. And our fair value of the company is close to 1800 rupees. Coming to defense, Zen Technology is under our coverage, and we believe that during the full year FY25, the order inflow will be close to 1200 to 1500 crore rupees. So order book was close to 950 crore in the first half FY25. We expect the order inflow to pick up from second half. And for full year, we are expecting company to clock revenue of close to 900 crore. And we expect that number to scale up to close to 1300 crore in FY26. And the company has got an internal target of 2000 crore in FY27. So again, a very company which is growing at a rapid clip. Again, PAT of close to 338 crore. That is our number for FY26. ROE, ROC of more than 25%. However, the stock has run up recently. Then what we believe that buy only is the right strategy for Zen Technology with a price target of 2500 and investment horizon of 12 months.
Sunny, I'm going to put you on the spot, asking you to pick one stock for 2025. If you had to do that, which one would it be?
Again, if I have to pick one stock, again, I would like to go ahead with a Chalet Hotel for 2025. The reason being that the company is expanding its hospitality keys by close to 28%, and office portfolio is contribute close to 10% of top line by 37% over the period of 2-3 years. The recently company has mobilized 1000 crore through QIP, and that will deleverage its balance sheet. At the same time, we are expecting ROE, ROC to expand from ROC from 9.5% in FY24 to 16% in FY26. So we believe that the profit of the company will double over the period of next 2 years from close to 280 crore to 500 crore in FY26. So Chalet Hotel is the one stock which I would like to add with a price target of 1100 for FY26.
Thank you so much for joining us, Sunny, and giving us all of your picks and your views on individual stocks as well. Well, let's now slip into a short break. Up next, we dive into the India CAPEX story and how it played out in 2024. Stay tuned.